ISRO's airdrop test. ISRO successfully conducted its first integrated airdrop test IADT-1, marking a key step for the Gaganyaan human spaceflight mission. A 5-ton dummy crew capsule was released from a helicopter to evaluate its parachute-based deceleration system for safe splashdown. The test validated critical safety mechanisms needed to ensure astronaut survival during re-entry and landing. While the first uncrewed mission is expected by late 2025, India's first crewed spaceflight is planned for 2027. Integrated airdrop test. An integrated airdrop test (IADT) simulates the final phase of a spacecraft return to Earth by dropping it from an aircraft or helicopter. This allows engineers to evaluate critical systems such as parachute deployment in abort scenarios, performance during partial parachute failure, and crew module safety during splashdown. However, it cannot fully replicate actual re-entry conditions since helicopters cannot reach sufficient altitudes. To address this, ISRO conducts suborbital or orbital tests such as the Test Vehicle Abort Mission TVD-1 in October 2023 to validate the crew escape system and performance under real re-entry conditions. Purpose of IADT-1. IADT-1 was conducted to evaluate the parachute-based deceleration system, crucial for safely bringing back the Gaganyaan crew module after re-entry. In this test, an uncrewed capsule was dropped from a helicopter at about 3 km altitude, with parachute expected to deploy in a precise sequence. The process simulated the final stages of a real mission where the capsule is slowed first by atmospheric drag and heat shields, then by drag parachutes, and finally by 3 large main parachutes. The goal was to ensure that capsule reduced its speed to about 8 meters per second before splashdown. IADT-1 in the Gaganyaan roadmap. In the broader roadmap, IADT-1 lies between TVD-1 2023 abort test and the G1 uncrewed mission late 2025, forming part of a sequence of thousands of tests ISRO must complete before human flight. Execution of the airdrop test. The airdrop test simulated a launch pad abort scenario where astronauts would need emergency ejection. A 4.8-ton dummy crew module was dropped from 3 km altitude using a Chinook helicopter. Once released, the onboard avionics autonomously triggered deceleration and deployed 10 parachutes, which slowed the module to a safe splashdown speed of about 8 meters per second. For comparison, parachutes in real re-entry missions typically deployed at around 150 meters per second. The test also confirmed the crew module's orientation and recovery process during splashdown. Current iteration of the Gaganyaan mission. The Gaganyaan mission aims to send Indian astronauts to low Earth orbit by 2027. To achieve this, ISRO is conducting a series of rigorous tests to validate safety and mission systems. Test vehicle missions. After the success of Test Vehicle Abort Mission TVD-1, ISRO is preparing TVD-2 scheduled for the third quarter of 2025. This will simulate a more complex abort scenario and validate the crew escape system. Uncrewed demonstration missions. The first uncrewed mission, Gaganyaan-1 G1, is planned for the fourth quarter of 2025. It will test technology preparedness using an unpressurized crew module without the environmental control and life support system. 2 additional uncrewed missions, G2 and G3, are also scheduled for launch next year to further validate systems, hardware, and system preparedness. Crew module and service module structure have been manufactured. Propulsion system for the crew module, service module, and crew escape system have been tested. The LVM-3 rocket has been fully human-rated, incorporating redundancies for crew safety. A life support system model has also been built. Infrastructure and facilities. Key facilities are complete. Orbital module preparation facility, Gaganyaan control center, crew training facility, and launch pad modification. A recovery plan for the crew module after splashdown has also been finalized. India's long-term human spaceflight goals. The Gaganyaan mission is only the first step in India's broader human spaceflight roadmap. The government has set ambitious targets, including establishing the Bharati Antariksh Station by 2035 and achieving an Indian crewed lunar landing by 2040. These milestones will require repeated missions, long duration stays in orbit, and advanced deep space technologies. Progress may face delays. For instance, IEDT-1 was pushed from April 2024 to August 2025, but each milestone strengthened India's capabilities. The upcoming TBD2 mission will test the crew escape system in a complex abort scenarios, while ISRO's SpaceX mission has already demonstrated in-orbit docking, a key technology for BAS Chandrayaan 4 and the future lunar missions.